Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nishita Agarwal and this channel is all about social media, business and mindset. So if that's something that you're interested in, I am very sure that this channel is going to help you a lot. By the title of this video, you already know that we're going to do something very amazing in this one. So I've been working for clients for about an year, more than a year, and something that I've always seen is that there's so much resistance when it comes to money, when it comes to getting sales, when it comes to just showing up for their business. So in this video, I will be showing you a proof method, a full proof method in which you could be using the law of attraction, high vibrations, good energy, good frequency to attract money towards you. Now, it doesn't matter if you are working, if you're a student, if you are in college, anything like that. It just doesn't matter who you are. This idea, this experiment, this exercise works for every single person who does it in the right way. And yeah, there's one particular way that you really need to do this exercise, and then you will get the kind of money that you're really looking for. So I know that you're very excited to make me just jump right into this video. So let's just get right into this video. So, to start off, I want you to think of how much money do you want? I know this question might have startled you or made you feel like, I just don't know how much money I want. Maybe I want $10,000, probably I want 50,000 rupees, probably I want 3-4 lakhs to get out of my debt, or, to pay off to somebody, or to buy new appliances, hire new people, or something like that. Or probably you just want more money so that you could travel, probably you could buy a new house, probably something comfortable or something like that, right? But before we even start this activity, it's very important for us to realize how much money do we want. So let's say that I'm gonna do this for a very small amount. You can definitely scale up the amount. It absolutely does not matter. But if you are a beginner, I would really request you and appreciate it if you started with a smaller amount, because then the manifestation muscle will get stronger and stronger every single time you do it. So if you've never done manifestation before, if you've never used the law of attraction before, I would really highly suggest you to start it with $1, $10, $20, and then go up to amounts like $1,000, $5,000, and $10,000. But if you've done this before, I would definitely, just, ask you to go for a higher amount, because it'll be much easier for you. You won't have that kind of a resistance, right? So now that you know how much money you want, let me just do it in INR currency, because a lot of my viewers are from there. So let's say I am saying that I want 2,000 rupees. Okay. Now, that is the very first step. I want 2,000 rupees. Now the next exercise, and something that's really going to bring in the kind of attraction and the kind of frequency that we really want, is by doing this. So here I have with me 100 rupees note. You can see it very clearly. It's a normal 100 rupees note, nothing special about it. Well, actually, it is, it has a lot of value, so that is something special about it, but a normal 100 rupees note. And I'm going to do this experiment with this one, and this has worked wonders for me in the past. This has worked like absolute magic. And it does not matter, again, if you're a student, probably you're much younger than that, probably, you're married, or probably you're from any part of the world. No matter how rich, poor you are, it just does not matter. But what matters is the kind of mindset that you have when you do this experiment. And that is why this experiment really opens up things for you. I've done this experiment with all of my clients. They've seen great results. And if you want to know more about it, make sure that you check the links down below. But here is what we are going to do. So I want you to take any note. It does not matter what, what is the value, what is the denomination on the note. I am taking a 100 rupees note, and this is exactly what I want you to do. Okay, so you're gonna look at this note and you're gonna look at it for 2 minutes, exactly 2 minutes. Okay, you can time it up. If you want to look at it for more time, it's okay, but nothing lesser than 2 minutes. So take this note, both sides to it, and just look at it. Every single detailing, just look at every single thing. Look at these numbers. Okay, Look at this. Look at all these things that are written. Look at all these things, every single detailing. Just look at this and just feel this. How does it feel? It feels papery, right? It feels beautiful. It looks beautiful, right? It's such a beautiful note. I mean, and I love the color of it too. So just for 2 minutes straight, just look at your note. You could be taking a dollar bill, you could be taking, any currency that you own, absolutely anything. I mean, even if you don't have a note, start it with a coin. I have done this experiment for one of my clients with 1 rupee, okay? You won't believe it. In like 6 hours, she got 4,000 rupees from a client which she thought she would never get that money back. So it does not really matter. So firstly, the first step is to look at it. Then you have to close your eyes and you have to imagine the very same note with the very same prints, with the very same numbers, exactly the same note. And what you have to do is right here is, this is where the imagination, the visualization part, the law of attraction part really works. Okay. So this was feeling it. Okay. When you close your eyes and you visualize it, I really want you to feel the feeling. Feel the feeling of having more money. Feel the feeling of being there. Feel the feeling of, credits into your bank account. Feel the feeling of being rich. Now, I know that at this point, you might have a lot of questions, a lot of resistance, a lot of, how can I be rich when I'm poor? How can I be rich when I have so many debt to pay? How can I feel that way? But that is the magic, and that is the breakthrough that I'm taking you through in here in this video. When you look at this, okay, when you're holding this, I have 100 rupees here. You could be having more, you could be having less, you could be having just a little coin. Probably you don't even have real money. You could do it using Monopoly money. Or even if you do not have that, tear a piece of paper, write down some amount that you feel kind of comfortable with and do it with that, right? And you close your eyes, just feel it. And here is the magical words that you have to say. You have to say, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you 3 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all the money that I've been given throughout my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all things that I've had in my entire life. Thank you, thank you, thank you for pure oxygen, for my body working, for things happening to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you for every single person who has talked to me, who has been there with me, who has listened to me, and who has comforted me in any way. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all the money that comes my way easily and just stays there with me. Thank you for making me feel great about myself. And when you say this, okay, I want you to feel so very thankful. You can't just expect manifestations or visualizations to work for you if you're not grateful. The key here is gratitude and feeling. That's the key. I mean, you could be having as much money as you want. You being rich does not make anybody poor. You being rich only makes people rich. And if you do not know more about this concept, I will discuss it again in some other video. But what I really want you to know is that you being rich makes people richer. You being rich makes the world better. You being rich makes you a better person. You being rich does not make you nasty. You being rich is not a bad thing, right? So once you've done this exercise, you've said your gratitude, you felt the feeling, open up your eyes, and I just want you to again, look at the same note, the very same note, right? And just feel it for some time. And just say again, thank you, thank you, thank you for all the money that has come my way in this entire life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And that's it. That is the entire exercise. Now, it absolutely does not matter if you did it with 1 rupee note, or probably 1 rupee coin, or probably with a Monopoly note, or probably with a fake note altogether. Money is going to come your way if you did it the right way. If you did this exercise from start to the beginning in the right way, money is coming your way. If you do require, you can definitely watch this video again, go through this practice again. I would highly recommend you to do this 2 times in a day. Once when you wake up and one before you just go to sleep. Okay, because that is the time when your visualization power, when your manifestation power, when your subconscious is really very active, right? So those are the 2 times that basically God gives you, basically the universe gives you, that really, really can change a lot of things for you. So do this exercise, and if anything good happens your way, make sure to come back in this video and comment down below. I know that abundance, money, wealth, and great things are coming your way. And that is it for this video. I'm really excited to see all of your comments, because this exercise is a proven method to get you all the money that you want. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.